door being left open in your house and your dog's bolting out of it, and then them not coming back when you call them? We can help you fix that. Don't be afraid to leave your doors open. We can show you how to achieve total control at all doorways. We can show you how to expect your dog to sit and wait politely at the door and be invited in or out of it. Once your dog is out of the door, we can show you how to maintain attentiveness so that you can continue on your walk, whether it's on leash or off leash, and not have to worry about your dog running away.